Happy Friday, my little winkers. It is May the 21st. And you see me up here laughing with these pigs? They thought that I was their parent. Do I look like a pig to you? I hope you said no. What do you think we're working on in science today? We will compare ways that young animals resemble their parents. Remember that R word, resemble? Do I resemble a pig? No, but those two pigs resemble each other. We'll be talking about comparing what animals look like what other animals today. How? We will watch a video, then match adult and baby animals in a Google slide. Why? We will understand the different stages in animal life cycles. Show me that cycle. Cycle, cycle, cycle. Baby pigs are born, they get fat, they grow up to be big pigs, and they have more little baby pigs. And the cycle goes around and around and around. We'll be looking at more animals and their life cycles so that you can match the mamas and the babies in your slide today. Eyes on your screen, ears on. Here comes some animals. Pay attention, they might be the ones that are in your Google slide today.
Animals share similarities and differences throughout their life cycle. Parents and children often look like each other, but sometimes they don't. At different points in the life cycle, an animal can look very different. Tadpoles have tails, gills, and no legs. This all changes when they become adult frogs with lungs, legs, and no tail. Every animal has the same basic life cycle. The stages of the life cycle are egg, newly born, young adult, and adult. The egg stage can take place inside or outside the mom.
Did you hatch out of an egg? I did not. Not everyone comes out of an egg. Some are in the mama's belly. But these are animals that are showing us the eggs. So if they started in the egg, they hatched out like a cute little baby. Then they grow, become adults, and they lay more eggs. Here's some other animals we can pay attention to their life cycle and match the mama with the baby. Let's see what baby's going to come out of here.
Mother's body. The frog is a great example of a life cycle with a lot of change. They grow from egg to tadpole to froglet and then finally an adult frog. Chickens have the same stages but don't have the same drastic changes. They grow from an egg to a chick, to a young chicken, and then finally an adult chicken.
Laying more eggs.
Insects have their own kind of life cycle. Some insects go through 4 stages: egg, larva, pupa, and adult. Think of a butterfly. It starts as an egg, then becomes a caterpillar, then a chrysalis, the metamorphosis stage, and finally it becomes an adult butterfly. Other insects only have 3 stages: egg, nymph, and adult. Dragonflies have this life cycle. They start as eggs.
Look, that is the mama dragonfly laying her eggs under the water. What's going to come out of that egg?
And then become nymphs.
Ew! That's what comes out of the egg. It's called a nymph, but it's going to change a little more before it's the dragonfly.
In the end, they grow into an adult dragonfly. All animals go through life cycles, but it is important to know that life cycles can look different from animal to animal.
All right, not all animals have 3 stages or 4 stages. We can look different, we grow different, but we're all changing. And a lot of us look like our parents. I'm going to turn the sound off for the second time we watch this video. And I just want to look at all the different animals. Tell me what animals you see. Ready? What's that? A bunny! The baby bunny looks just like the mama bunny. Do they hatch in eggs? No. Ooh, what's that? An elk? What are those little things? Insects? Remember that? That is called the tadpole. Good job. And the tadpole is going to grow and change into a ribbit. A what? A frog. There he is. Ribbit, ribbit. Did they come out of an egg? Mm-hmm. There's those eggs. Birdies! The egg hatches, the baby bird comes out, grows into an adult, and then they lay more eggs. What's that? Snakes come out of eggs. Frogs come out of eggs. There's the frog egg. What else do you see? What's going to come out of this egg? Do you remember? A what? A chicken. A baby chick. Then it grows to the full chicken. Then it lays more eggs. What are those? What? Dragonfly eggs. Yeah. Look at all these crazy stages. Oh, that was the butterfly. I'm sorry. Butterfly egg, larva, chrysalis, and now here's gonna come our what's that? There's the dragonfly. Laying the eggs. Out comes the nymph. Finally, a dragonfly. Ooh, what's that? Bear and a baby bear. What are those? Ants and baby ants. So many animals. Young and parents. Young and parents. Let's go review our vocabulary so you'll be ready to match the young and the parents. Our first two words are going to be, what do you think? Young and parent. Everybody say young. Young, look at all those young animals. They were recently born by the parents. Our next word with the P. Say it with me, please. Parent. Are you a parent? Parents made new living things. I have not made a new living thing. You have not made a living thing. We're not parents. But look at that slide. Trees can be parents. They make new seeds. That hippo's a parent. They have a baby hippo. You have to match the young with the parents. Let's take a look at your Google slide. I've got my tablet so I can show you exactly where to click and how to get your work done today. You already found the assignment here for Friday, and you have your own slide. So arrow up to find your slide with your name. Click your slide. Don't click that little X and delete it. Now when we're ready to edit our slide, we use the pen tool. Click your pen tool and then arrow over to see these animals. Our instructions tell us to use the pen tool to match the young animal with the correct parent. Now I put on this side all of the, what are those? Are those the youngs or are those the parents? What do you think? These little cuties are the young. And this side are the what? Parents. We have to connect a young to a parent, a young to a parent, a young to a parent, a young to a parent. 4 youngs to the 4 correct parents. I'm going to click my marker and pick my first color. Now that I've got it ready, I'm going to look. Oh, that's kind of a wolf or a dog. It's something cute and fluffy. You think I should connect it to this cow? Yeah or no? Should I connect it to the horsey? Does that look like a young horse and a parent horse? What about this furry? Oh, there's another furry. They kind of have the same colors, same ears, same 4 paws, same, well, his tail's a lot bigger over here, but I think maybe, or this, oh, that one's fluffy too. What do you think? Show me with your thumbs. Should I connect this little cute puppy wolf to this? Yeah or no? Or this one? Ding, 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 ding. I agree. The gray fluffy to the other gray fluffy. I think that's a wolf. Do you think so? I've already shown you one answer. You'll connect the baby wolf to the mama wolf, then get a different color. Look at this. Connect to that parent. When you are done, I should see 4 different colors, 4 different lines, connecting young to parent, young to parent, young to parent. When you have 4 colors, you have 4 lines, you found 4 matches. You click the tiny word that says save. Be patient. Ta-da! X. Check it is edited. It is here for the teacher. Then blue button, turn in. One more time. Please, it's Friday. Turn it in. And we are done with our science. Take your time. Don't get tricked by the youngs and the parents. Connect them correctly. Save your slide. And I'll see you on Monday. Adios, amigos.